Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and also show you how you can hide any of your Instagram post without deleting it. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes, write comments, and let's get started. Okay friends, first of all, you're going to need to open the Instagram app and then go to your page here. Next, you will need to select that post, that publication that you would like to hide. After that, you will need to click on the three dots above the post on the right side. And here, find the option called Archive. Click on that. And as you can see, instantly the photo disappears from your Instagram page. But you don't delete it that way. Basically, at any time you can go to the archive of your Instagram posts and bring it back. This way, friends, you can move a lot of posts to the archive. For example, if you decide to change your image, change the look of your Instagram page, you can move all of your publications, all of your reels to the archive to see how it looks, if you like it. If not, then you can bring your old publications back. This is the way, friends, you can hide your Instagram publications very easily without deleting them. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Take care.